Microsurfacing paver operation video. Fill enough diesel into the auxiliary engine tank. Start up the auxiliary engine and warm up at idle for 10 minutes. Adjust the engine speed to about 2000 rpm. Put on the operation power. Input the formula data into the computer as required. Start up the chassis engine to inflate air pressure up to 0.7 net bar. Open the working valve. Set the dosing mode to manual position. Ensure the mixing water is under circulation. Open the water valve. Adjust the manual valve to ensure water flow to standard value. Close water valve. Ensure the bitumen is under circulation. Open the bitumen valve. Adjust the manual valve to ensure the bitumen flow to standard value. Close bitumen valve. Open aggregate valve. Adjust the manual valve to ensure aggregate flow to standard value. Close the aggregate valve. Filling with aggregate and binders after the calibration work is finished with each system. Assemble the paving box to required weight. Put down the paving box lifting rack. Hanging over the paving box on two sides. Hang over chains on two sides. Connect the hydraulic hose on two sides of the paving box. Open the valve. Adjust the paving thickness and the road arch as required. Start mixing work. Switch to mixing forward position and then adjust the speed to proper. Switch to left and right auger forward and then adjust the speed to proper. Change the dosing mode to auto. Press on the auto dosing button. System change to mixing automatically. Material, output and mixing automatically. Press hold to give signals to the driver to move on. Adjust the volume of mixtures through left and right distributing during the paving. Switch up the arch breaker from time to time during the paving to prevent the arching of the aggregate. Switch off the auto dosing first after paving work. The mixing water system will be changed to circulation automatically. Slow down the mixing speed and then close mixing. Slow down the auger speed and then close auger. Slow down the agent speed. Clean the paving box with high pressure water after paving work. Construction finished.